What's up, y'all? This is Mario with MIPD1980 EDC. There's my boy Zeke right there in the back. There's Mario. It's Saturday. It's cold. It's rainy. It's nasty. But my wife and my girls are at church today, and we're gonna go get some breakfast, and we're gonna go see if we can get in trouble at the antique stores. I'm not in trouble, but you know what I mean. But stay tuned. Bye. What's up, guys? No, we're not at the Pizza Hut. Well, we are, but that's not where we're going. There's Zeke. We're actually at a place called Vintique. We're in Taylor, Texas. So let's see what we can get into. just got out of these last two antique stores, and I think I lucked out. You didn't, Mario? Yeah, well, sorry, bud. So look at what I found. This thing was advertised on the shelf as a 1989 case knife. So, of course, this bone attracted me to it.
It's a bone?
Yeah, the handles are bone, bud.
Let me see.
It's called jigged bone.
Creepy.
So I open it up and I start looking at it. First of all, I was looking at the blades to see how bad they were. See if I can put you guys here. There you go. So I open it up and I start looking at the tank stamp. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. It's hot in here, bud?
Yes.
Well, let's turn the heat off because Mario's over here. So yeah, it said 1989 and I was like, oh, I think that Nate is a 1989. You know. So then I open it up, start counting dots, and it's a 1980. Guess who's a 1980? This guy. So yeah, little
How many dots?
two bladed. It's a 10 dot.
What does that mean?
So the case XX with the USA and the lightning bolt S is 1980. So they made them in 1980. And then the dots, if it has 10 dots, that's in 1980. 1981 is 9 dots. 1982 is 8 dots. And so on. So they take dots off as the years go up.
Math is not mathing.
Math is not mathing? Yeah, it gets confusing real quick, bud.
What
So
about
this one's 6249 pattern. Copper lock, I think. No, copperhead, copper something. I don't know. Y'all know how many patterns are out there. But yeah, $50 out the door. Well, 50 something.
Dad,
What, buddy?
$50?
Yes, sir.
I only have 10.
You only have 10.
I only have 0.
That's because you're the first one to...
So second knife of the year. Well, I guess you could say third because I bought that little bear MGC just a little while ago. No, you cannot have my money, boy.
But I wanted to buy that coat and that jacket and those sweatpants.
Here you go. It was $48 plus tax, $51.96. I think I lucked out. I've been looking at 1980 knives on eBay, and they're
$50.
yeah, right. Like they start at $100, and they're not in good condition. 100, 150. There was this guy that wanted for a trapper, a full-size trapper, wanted like $200 for a 1980 on eBay. I was like, yeah, nope, not gonna do that. So there you go. Good finds. We'll catch up with you guys when we get back home. We're gonna go find Mama some food, hopefully, and the girls, because they have a break from their church service. Probably around now or 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So we're gonna go find some food for the girls. Yeah, they don't get out till 4. So. Oh! So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. So just to finish off this, I was editing the video and it was over an hour long. So I went ahead and I had done a whole outro and all this other stuff, but just wanted to say that, yeah, that's what we got. We got that 1980 case knife. Got that little peanut. They're actually in the mineral oil now. Yeah, it was a good day with my boys out and about. I know my girls had a good time at church. They're probably on the way back now. But yeah, anyway, just wanted to say thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. Let's see, what am I carrying today? little case, mini trapper with Warncliffe blade, nice and teenered up. What else do I have? I have Make Cutlery Great Again slip. Got a Red Trapper 2020 Super Sport. What else do I have? I have my little pouch with all my stuff. Zippo, not Zippo, you know, the usual little pouch with a pocket cross from Brother Dwayne. I got the Zippo, the $10 brass Zippo. Look at that. It's starting to get teenered up. Yeah. This is after a week of carrying it. I don't know if you can see it. It's gotten a little bit of that tarnish, teeners on the brass. So anyway, don't want to make this any longer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Get to church tomorrow. It's Sunday. Let's go be thankful and just go do your thing. Go worship. I don't care, you know, what denomination you are. I don't care. We have a great God. We have an awesome God. And he takes care of us. So I appreciate you guys. I will see you on the next one. God bless. See ya.